sama susunya, tambah pisang goreng dan bingke. Cong 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 kopi pancong, tak berduit kopi pancong. Cong 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 kopi pancong, mau irit kopi pancong. Naiklah sampan, bawa keladi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Good morning. How's the day going?
Good, ma'am. Thanks for asking.
We have a fruitful day, ma'am. I'm still busy with the lesson stuff.
Oh, that's interesting to know that you've been busy with your task. Can you handle them?
Alhamdulillah, so far so good, ma'am. I can handle them. Thanks for your concern.
Okay, my pleasure. Well, is anyone absent today?
It is complete, ma'am. Everyone is here.
Okay, glad to know that. The students, before we start the lesson, please help me to check the class cleanliness. Thank you.
Before we start our lesson, let's pray together based on our religion. Pray, begin. Pray, finish.
Amin. Okay, students, today we are going to learn about advertisement. And the learning objectives for today are that you have to identify the social function, generic structure, and also the language features. And the second one is that you have to create an event advertisement, because today we are going to learn about the event advertisement. And the last one is you can publish your masterpiece or event advertisement on your social media.
Pada tahap penentuan topik, aktivitas yang dapat dilakukan adalah menyaksikan tayangan video dan mengamati beberapa iklan. Peserta didik kemudian mendiskusikan hasil pengamatan yang mereka peroleh secara umum.
Well, students, I have a video that you have to watch carefully. But before that, I will spread the same posters to each group. Let me know what you think about it.
From the video, I think it shows about sport that will be competed in an event.
Yeah, we can also see the culture of Indonesia in the video.
Anyone wants to share about your result discussion? Let's start from the video first, and then we continue to the printed ads.
In my opinion, the video is about promoting an event, especially about Asian Games, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I agree with Anissa. It's about Asian Games and events.
Okay. Then, what do you think about the posters, Mutiara?
The posters are show about advertisement, ma'am.
And what did the posters tell about?
They are also about event ads, ma'am.
Okay, good. Students, all of the video and posters given to you are about advertisement, especially it's about event advertisement. Good answer, students.
Tujuan dari kegiatan ini adalah agar peserta didik dapat berkomunikasi dengan bahasa sasaran sehingga mereka mudah menyelesaikan proyek mereka.
Students, as you can see on the board, I have written some words here. If you find any unfamiliar words, you can consult to dictionary to look up the meaning. What does the committee mean? Yes, please?
It means the event organizer, ma'am.
Oh, that's true, Ripka. What about the charity? Yeah,
Oh, it's organization, ma'am.
that's close. What do you think that exactly means?
It is a voluntary act of giving help, ma'am.
Oh, that's true. Charity means a voluntary act to help. It is organized by a company or organization.
Pada tahap ini, guru bertanya jawab dengan peserta didik mengenai kosakata yang biasa digunakan pada iklan kegiatan.
Students, in this activity, I will replay the video and I will spread the analysis on video and posters. I need you to fill on the form after you analyze on both of it. Okay? This one? Here you are. Okay. Students, as you can see on the form, there is a table with a social function, generic structure, and also language features. I need you to fill the form after you analyze the video and also the posters. Any question?
Ma'am,
Yes.
so we have to watch the video and analyze it based on the guidelines given in the form.
Ah.
And then we write the analysis in the form. Is that true, ma'am?
Okay, that's almost. You have to analyze the posters too.
Oh, understood, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, students, let's share your discussion. Start from the video. Does anyone want to tell about the video in detail? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. As our friend said, it is promoting the Asian Games that was held in Indonesia. I believe, besides promoting the sports competition, it also promotes the culture to the world.
Yes, in short, we can say that the purpose of event advertisement itself is to attract people to come to the event which is advertised.
Yes, ma'am. We can see clearly based on the generic structure that the product is Asian Games ads, while the users are people who watch it.
The ads contain the purpose, the brand, and the user, ma'am.
Wow, that's nice information. And what about the posters?
On the Cap Gomeh ads, we can see that red is a dominating color. That's probably because red is a holy color for the Chinese.
Yes, that is true. Red is a holy color for the Chinese. It brings good luck to their lives.
On the cover ad is promos about the singer and the songs you will sing.
Okay, and okay, Haika?
On charity ads, they want to raise the fund for the kids who suffer cancer.
Okay, good. What language features mostly used in the event advertisement?
I see that most of the ads use the words that tell us about the importance of information, and we can see it on the printed ads.
Good. Yes?
Oh yeah, ma'am. I see from the Cap Gomeh ads. It's simple but interesting words.
And why is it so, Leah?
I think that's because the ads should be attract people to read them. Besides, the ads should be trustworthy.
Awesome. That's a great info. The advertisement should be written in an eye-catching word option and honest. It relates to the sincerity of the company or event organizer that handle it. Alright, students, after we discuss about the topic, can anyone tell about the social function, generic structure, and also language features that used in the event advertisement? Yes, please.
The social function of the ads is to promote or to persuade people to use or to know the product or services offered, ma'am.
Oh, that's true, Zachary. What about the others? Okay.
The generic structure that we find in ads are the purpose, name of products, and the target or the user.
I read that the ads is written in present simple, ma'am. The ads uses word options that stress the importance of information and words that persuade people to agree or choose the products or services. Is that right, ma'am?
Oh yeah, correct. All of your answers are correct. Seems that you have understood about the lesson today. Good job, students.
Pada tahap ini, peserta didik diharapkan dapat mengetahui fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari iklan kegiatan. Dalam kegiatan pertanyaan arahan, guru memberikan pertanyaan inti untuk mengarahkan peserta didik mengetahui fokus proyek yang dilakukan, menentukan jenis proyek yang dipilih, dan proses penyelidikan yang akan direncanakan.
Since that we have decided to create a culinary event advertisement project, can anyone tell the most favorite food from our place? Yes, please.
From Pontianak, we know ikan asam pedas and pacri nanas, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Those are our traditional food. Have you ever visited the culinary festival held in our place? Okay then.
Pertanyaan arahan yang diberikan guru kepada peserta didik harus sesuai tema yang diangkat dan merangsang kemampuan berpikir peserta didik. Kegiatan mendesain perencanaan proyek bertujuan agar peserta didik memiliki keterampilan berpikir kritis. Kriteria penilaian juga dilakukan pada tahapan ini.
The next step that you should do is to discuss about the project design. Please complete the table after you discuss it. This is a great project, so we need some criteria to make the result of your project be your masterpiece. Does anyone want to give an idea about it? Yes, please, Francisco.
It's about the content and the presentation, ma'am.
Okay, content and presentation. What criteria that you suggest?
It should be based on social function, generic structure, and linguistic features, ma'am.
Okay.
It shows about the presentation itself, ma'am.
Oh, good. And what are the criteria you suggest?
About the fluency, accuracy, and the clear explanation, ma'am.
Okay.
And don't forget about how the members of each group have mastered about their project.
Oh, wonderful. I will make them into scoring rubric, and we agree with that.
Pada tahap ini, kegiatan yang dilakukan adalah guru meminta peserta didik berdiskusi untuk menentukan dan menulis aktivitas yang akan dilakukan selama proses penyelidikan. Guru dan peserta didik kemudian bersama-sama menentukan kriteria penilaian proyek.
Now I will share the timetable for the project. There will be a schedule of job description and also project schedule. Yeah. Here you are. This is for you. Yes. Okay, and this is for you. Yeah, okay. Hope you can discuss and write the date when you want to do the task.
Okay, my friends, after we finish the project schedule, we go to job description. Who will do data collection? Nikita and I will create the draft.
Diva and I will collect the data.
Now, please submit your schedule so that I will find out your job description clearly. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. And this is the time for you to do the project. You can bring your laptop and your stuffs, and you can do the project outside of the class.
Dalam kegiatan ini, guru membimbing dan mengarahkan peserta didik untuk mulai melaksanakan proses penyelidikan, proses pengolahan data, proses penyusunan konten, konsultasi dan konfirmasi data, dan perbaikan jika diperlukan.
Okay, now it's time for you to do the presentation about what you have done so far on your project. Nikita, your group can do the first.
Thank you for the opportunity given to us. We are going to show you our work. This flyer promotes West Borneo culinary event.
That's good. Thank you for the presentation. Give applause for them. Okay, after you have heard and seen the progress that they have done, it's time for you to give a positive feedback. Does anyone want to give? Okay, please.
Group 3 has an eye-catching flyer. The words they choose are also interesting, short and easy to be remembered. But about the color, I think it would be better if they use 2 or 3 colors to make the reader more focused on the information they share.
Thank you for the feedback. After you have heard about the feedback that given to you, it would be better for you to revise your draft before you print it into poster or to flyer. Then you may sit. Thank you. Yep. Okay. I will start. What about you? Okay. Do you have any problem?
Yes, ma'am. It's about the content. We have lots of ideas to write, but we are afraid it will overlap.
Can you handle it?
Yes, ma'am. We will make a list of ideas.
Good, that you can solve the problem. You can continue your work.
Kegiatan menguji dan menilai bertujuan agar hasil proyek dapat dipertanggungjawabkan oleh seluruh anggota kelompok dan dinilai oleh guru sebagai penilaian formatif berdasarkan rubrik penilaian.
Okay, students, this is the time for you to show your work and give explanation on it. Please start from group 1. Please, Nauki.
Okay, alright, so thank you for the opportunity that has been given. We would like to present our work. We created a Pontianak Food Festival ad. Now the purpose of this flyer is to attract people to come to said event. We chose simple but interesting words so that the readers will remember the info given easily.
Dalam kegiatan ini, guru memberikan refleksi atas hasil karya proyek peserta didik dan meminta peserta didik untuk membuat refleksi diri terhadap apa yang telah mereka lakukan.
As we can see here, you have learned about the event advertisement. It is used to persuade or to promote the event so people want to visit or to come to that event. So now I would like to hear the reflection from you. Does anyone want to share about it? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. In my opinion, this project is a fun project to be done because we did all by ourselves, starting from deciding the concept, collecting data, until doing the publishment.
Yeah, that's right, because the project should come from you as a student, not from me as a teacher. Any other?
Yes, ma'am. We also had some difficulties in setting the time. Since that we finished our school time in the afternoon, I believe that more time is needed to give a great result.
Oh, I see. I will take your point as the consideration item for the next project. Thank you so much. Okay, students, you have done your project and I'm proud of you. Moreover, you have shown me your good spirit and competency in finishing the project. Your product will be displayed in our gallery hall for a week and also you can publish it on your social media. Hope that everyone can enjoy your masterpiece and give a positive input about it. See you on the next meeting.
Demikian pembelajaran bahasa Inggris peminatan dengan menggunakan model pembelajaran berbasis proyek. Dengan tayangan ini, diharapkan guru dapat memfasilitasi peserta didik untuk berpartisipasi aktif, kreatif, dan membangun kolaborasi sosial dengan peserta didik lainnya dalam proses pembelajaran. Sampai bertemu kembali!